Hi guys, welcome to this channel. So guys, everyone using Facebook and Instagram. Yes, in Facebook and Instagram, how we can using for multiple post option by using desktop. So most of the people uploading images in Instagram, they use option name is called mobile version. In a desktop, what is a new feature will be give for cursive image posting. That is called multiple posting. I'll show you here. If you open this post, at a time we can show for multiple images. See here. Is a multiple image. How we can post this option? In this post purpose, there will be option will be newly introduced in the Facebook and Instagram. Any Facebook page will be connecting Instagram is the first option. Any Facebook page will connect Instagram will be first option. Once you connect, go to your Facebook page. Is a recently coming option name is called business shoot. So this error recently occurred for Chrome people does not exist this option on your page. We can use it for Mozilla is better to show this option. Click this option. First of all, in this multi-posting images purpose, which design is better? The design will be selecting Canva. The size will be 500 by 500. We can make it design will be like this. After design, go to create post. First, you can select two options, Facebook and Instagram. Compulsory Facebook will be connected. Instagram is mandatory. So if you have multiple Facebook page in one Instagram, but it's possible one Facebook page, one Instagram is the pick up the keyword, add your photos. So in this, what are the photos you can add? So that is you can select it. I'm selected. After that, select my content. Which content you can preferable? Go this content. Is done. So image is uploading. Any image is facing problem, they can't upload. The size will be 180, 1080 into 1080, 500 by 500. Two size will be applicable. If you want size will be required, simple, go to Canva, Instagram. The post size will be given 1080 by 1080 or 500 by 500. Both will be flexible. After this one, publish. Now, this image will be posting for, it will be showing for slide image. There is a cursor images. But Instagram one feedback is problem is called. The link is not working on Instagram post. Only ad can show this, the link will be visible. So why you can upload it for multiple images? What is your website? What is your channel? How to know these people? These all know your people will be in your particular post. Now you can go for refresh. Now we can checking for latest post option. Go for latest. Now is a find out here. Now first, second image, third image, fourth, fifth, and sixth, seven, eight. You can upload it for 8 images. So how many images is best for uploading? You can upload for 15 images best to upload for your particular Instagram. So the size will be 500 by 500, 1080 by into 1080. So how we can make the image or video? You can use option name is called Canva. You can select it for Instagram option. This will be very flexible by the Instagram and Facebook, but Facebook will be small drawback here. They're not using this kind of slide image. They're showing for different option. So they only supporting for Instagram purpose. Facebook will be showing will be like this. So this will be Facebook will be show the and image will be click this option. So in this color image purpose, we have to use option name is called Facebook Creator Studio. For Instagram purpose, Facebook Business Shoot option. Follow this moment and upload for multiple images on your Instagram. People know about your channel or your business. they get idea, they will be click for the particular option. So follow these instructions and make it your screens perfectly. You can design on your particular Canva and upload for Facebook business shoot option. Anyone you have to not visible Facebook business shoot, use Mozilla you can use, or you can use for Internet Explorer if you're not visible by the Google Chrome option. If any further doubts, you can ask me my channel, Mr. Rajesh. You can comment me. I definitely will be support how will be manage your particular post Instagram without using mobile phone by using sitting on desktop. I always support you for any other questions. You can comment. I definitely support you for your particular regarding about YouTube channel and upload the videos.